Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to be making some jerk chicken. This is the seasoning that I will use on the chicken. I'm going to marinate it overnight, 24 hours, and then I will cook it tomorrow, okay? I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of this all-purpose seasoning to this chicken. Okay, I added some black pepper. All right, I'm gonna place it in the refrigerator. This is the product that I'm gonna be using for the Caribbean jerk chicken. This is my first time trying it, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and add it to this chicken. And I also will be making a corn salad today. I have 1 whole bell pepper. I have a whole green bell pepper. I have 1 onion and 1 Roman tomato that I'm gonna be using. So let me get started, okay? I'm gonna use half this jerk seasoning on the chicken because I have already added some other spices to the chicken. Just wanna cook it with half of it, and I'll probably use the other half on maybe some salmon, okay? All right, let me mix this up, and we're gonna go ahead and place this in the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour, okay? All right. I'm gonna go ahead and open my bag of corn. This is frozen corn. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that open. This is a corn salad. It's getting warmer here in Texas, so I decided to do this today. It's supposed to get up to like 84 degrees today. So let me chop up my vegetables. I know that you probably don't want to see this, but let me start on camera, then I will cut it off and chop up everything. This is a great salad. Okay, I have also added some garlic, and I gotta chop my onions up. I had mentioned them earlier. And then I have this half cucumber here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my salad. So anything that you have left over, like vegetables, you could add it to this salad if you like, okay? So that's my garlic going in. Just chop that up. And I decided I need a larger bowl because I'm making more salad than I expected. So, right, let me just go ahead and cut the onions up. I love onions, so I usually put them in most of the salads I make. Remove some of the seeds. I'm removing some of the seeds so I won't have so much water in the salad. And I think what I'm gonna do is add a little of the jerk's seasoning in it, just a little bit, to kind of give them that jerk flavor. Okay. Chop up the cucumbers very fine. This salad will go with anything you make, so try it, see if you like it. Very healthy salad. You can use a spoon to mix this, or you can use your hands. My hands are clean, so I think this is the best tool to use. Okay, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and add the mayo. That's about 2.5 tablespoons of mayo. That's about 4 tablespoons of mayo. I don't have much in this container, so I'm gonna go ahead and use all of it. Don't that look delicious? The colors are beautiful. So guys, I'm preparing you for the warmer weather with the salad, but you can eat it anytime, really. It don't have to be just for the summer. Be a nice side dish, and it's easy to make. It'll stay in the refrigerator for a couple days, but usually Ours don't last that long because I love snacking on this stuff. Some chips or something like Mission kind of chips, tortilla kind of chips. All right, let me get some black pepper in here. I know it's probably seasoned perfectly because the mayo already has salt in it. The mayo is salty, so you don't really have to add a lot of salt unless you just want to. Okay. And there's one other spice I always like to add to my salad, and that's oregano. Okay, here's the oregano. That's about a tablespoon, and that's it for the oregano. But you know, Bill and I both like it kind of spicy, so I'm gonna add just a little of the chili flakes in there, and that's it. The salad is all done. It's ready to eat. But what I'm gonna do is refrigerate it for about an hour while the chicken is cooking. And then when the chicken is ready, the salad will be ready. Okay. All right. I'll see you a little bit later.